What's up, guys? What is up, you guys? Today, I'm in a little bit of a weird mood because today, I'm in the mood to dye my eyebrows with Just for Men, because Just for Men's not just for men, it's for women too. I'm channeling my inner Jenna Marbles today, and I am going to go get some Just for Men from Walmart. So I'm sure that a lot of you guys have seen this Instagram post or like these Twitter posts about dyeing your eyebrows with a thing called Just for Men, and it's like a beard tint, and I'm pretty sure it started on Instagram. I don't know who originally posted it. Basically, you just fill in your eyebrows with the Just for Men tint thing, and it's like getting your eyebrows professionally tinted. I feel like my eyebrows are a good candidate for this because they're like a nice shape. They're a nice thickness, but like they're not as thick in all of the areas, and so it makes them look not the same color throughout. But I feel like if I tinted them, they will be a poppin', and I wouldn't have to do them. Maybe put some clear brow gel in it, but like that's it. And honestly, I feel like they'd be poppin'. I'm gonna attempt to do this. If it goes horribly wrong, it's fine. We'll be fine. This is my OOTD. It's 100% thrifted except for my Vans. I have this Rolling Stones t-shirt that I thrifted. I have these vintage Levi's. They're called like something demi-curves. I don't know, but they're really cute. And then I have my checkered Vans on. So yeah, we're looking comfy and casual and cute today. I'm just really ready to get this video started. So let's go. Am I right, ladies? I have way too much energy today. Literally took me like 45 minutes to get this thing of Just for Men's because I didn't want to go in the aisle because a bunch of men were in there, and I was like, this looks weird. And then I went in there and some kid literally was laughing at me, like he was like my age, and he was like snickering at me, and I was like, you want to like shut up? Because I will fight you. We can go. I'm back. My hair is up. I'm wearing black, and I'm ready to tint my eyebrows. Let's go, baby. I'll show you what we have on my little table set up here. Of course, we've got the Just for Men's dye. I haven't even taken it out of the package. We've got Vaseline. Supposedly, you're supposed to put this around your eyebrows so that it doesn't like get outside of it and screw everything up. So I am very messy, so we're going to be using that. I should probably take out my gum because that's probably annoying for you. Then we've got these two brushes. We've got this one, which is like a flat top one, and then we've got this one, which is like angled one. Couldn't think of the word. I was thinking, what if I use face paint crayons and outline my eyebrows so that I won't go out of the lines? So like I'll outline them and then put Vaseline on it. And then I already have my wet cloth all set up and ready for me to wipe off the product. I've got my timer up for 5 minutes, so when I'm done I can just click it. We are so ready, guys. First, I think I'm just gonna open up the actually, first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna outline my eyebrows because I want to get a good outline before we start, like so that I don't go out of the lines or do anything crazy, you know what I'm saying, ladies? So I got this little teeny face paint marker crayon thing. With this, I'm just going to outline my eyebrows. So yeah, that's one eyebrow outlined. I look like a crazy person, but you know, the things we do for beauty, ladies, full on mental breakdown. That's what I'm trying to look like. I'm going to do the other eyebrow off camera so that I can get really up close and personal to the mirror because this is a little bit difficult right now. So, okay, just bear with me. But so far, this is what the one outlined eyebrow looks like. New year, new me, am I right, ladies? This is the final outline that we've got here. It's pretty spectacular, if I do say so myself. Now we're going to open up the pack of Just for Men's and actually mix up the dyes. So I got the shade medium to dark brown because I feel like I'm pretty medium to dark brown. I feel like that's pretty accurate for my eyebrows. This comes with, ooh, a coupon. Wow, I don't have a beard. Why are you trying to discriminate? Okay, it's beard care items. It's not just for men, it's for women too. Okay, it comes with the natural color developer and the color base. I'm just gonna read the directions really fast. It says, yes, always do the skin allergy patch alert test 48 hours before every application. I'm not doing that. This is just beard dye. It's fine. I'll be fine. It says, wearing gloves, I'm gonna take this out of this little cocaine baggy looking thing. It's kind of scary, but it's whatever. Okay, those are way too big for my... Why are you discriminating me? I'm not a man. That is not gonna work. Okay, screw that. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna take the little thingy and this little thingy, and it has this little line thing. I don't really trust the line method. I'm just gonna use this tablespoon thingy majigger. Do you wanna see? Fine, I'll show you, I guess. I hope that I did the right portions of each. I used a little bit too much product, I think, and then like I kept kind of adding as we went on. Hopefully they're mixed in equal parts. We're just gonna probably use a line method next time. It seems a little less stressful. I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna put my mirror right here. I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna go around my eyebrow with Vaseline. This is like a drip guard to guard them and shield them from the devil, so that if the color does drip, it's not gonna stain my skin. Ready for the moment of truth, ladies. I'm gonna take this little brush and I'm gonna dip into the dye. We're just gonna go for it. Let's go. There's no turning back now. I saw this girl say that she started the time and then filled in the very front of the brows last, or like a little bit into the time, so that they're like a little bit lighter. I don't have a lot of hair up here, so I'm just like super lightly kind of feathering that in. We have 52 seconds left on the timer, so I just squeezed out my damp cloth. This is what they're looking like right now. That part's like covered with Vaseline though, so don't get worried. If it's like out of the lines a little bit, it's fine. Oh! Wow. It's actually pretty nice. I'm gonna go wash my face with some mild shampoo. I'll BRB. These are the final results. I am actually really happy with the way this turned out. Overall, I would give dyeing your eyebrows with Just for Men a 10 out of 10. And I would highly recommend for the ladies and not just for the men, because discrimination is bad and women can do everything the men can do. I would highly recommend everybody who is really comfortable with their eyebrow shape, they just don't like the color, to totally do this. Because don't be scared, it's gonna be fine. And you're going to be really happy with the results, because you're going to get to be lazy. I don't even need my eyebrow things anymore. I bought like a $25 eyebrow pencil. I can shuck it, okay? This is just perfect. I'm going to go to Ulta and get myself some clear brow gel like right after this, because this is a vision. This is a vibe. Hopefully I don't have an allergic reaction to this. I'll keep you posted. If I do, then that sucks. Sorry about it. Thanks for just watching my little eyebrow journey and, you know, venturing through this world with me. Go comment down below if you've done this and send me a picture. I don't know, do something. You know, interact with me. We want some volunteer. We want some audience interaction, you know what I'm saying? If you like me, if you like my cringy adventures and my cringy self, please subscribe down below and like up this video. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good week, month, day, year. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! But don't you